Hello children. In this class we'll learn how to express a recurring decimal as a vulgar fraction. Okay, so here we have got a question: express 0.158 as a vulgar fraction. So now the first step is, let us take x as the given decimal, that is 0.158. okay, so on 158 the bar is placed. So what does that means? 158 is repeating. Okay, so this is actually a recurring repeating decimal. So 158 on 3 digits we have got bar. Okay, so now the next step is x equals to 158 is repeating. Because the bar is placed, we can say that 158 is repeating. So let us just write 158 158 158. It will just go on like that only, so on. So let us take this equation as 1. Okay, so now after the decimal point you have got 3 digits. Okay, that means you are taking 1000 and you're multiplying this whole equation. Okay, why you're multiplying with 1000? Because after the point you have got 3 digits. Now after the point, if you have got 2 digits, then you're multiplying with 100. Okay, the number of digits you're having, you're multiplying according to that. Okay, so now 1000 of this whole equation, that is 0.158 158 and so on. Okay, so now 1000 into x will give you 1000x equals to, now 1000 into 0.158 158. okay, you don't need to calculate separately also, just here the decimal point is there. Okay, now you're multiplying with 1000. Fine, so that means 1 2 3, after the 3 digits you will get the point. Okay, so what you will get when you multiply this with 1000, 158 point, this 158 158, like that it will just go on, so on. So now this, let us take as equation 2. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so 1 from 2 you need to subtract, and after that, see here, let us write the second equation. 1000x equals to 158.58. it will just go on like that. Okay, so now next equation is x equals to 0.158. okay, so 0.158 means 0 point here 158 will come, and after this 1.58 it will just go on like that. Okay, so what you will get when you subtract this 1000x minus x, that will be 999x, then equals to 158. This 0 0 0 all will become 0, then 8 minus 0 8, then 1 5 as it is, 0.0 and so on. Okay, so x equals to 158 divided by 999. Fine, so further if you want to calculate this, you can just cancel, otherwise you just have to keep it like this only. Okay, now the second question you have is, express 0.136 as a vulgar fraction. Okay, now again you just note one after the decimal point you have got 136. okay, 136 is the numbers. So in this, only on 2 digits the bar is placed. Okay, that means only 36 is repeating. Okay, 136 whole 3 digits are not repeating, only 36. Okay, so 3636 like that you have to take. Now first step is, let us take x equals to 0.136 and bar will be on 36. Then in the next step, x equals to 0.1, this 36 is repeating, so 3636 like that. So now this we will name it as equation 1. Okay, now after that, see here, after the decimal point, only like this one digit, on one digit there is no bar. Okay, that means after the point, how many digits we are having on which we don't have bar, you have to just consider first of all that one. Okay, so one digit you're having, that means you have to multiply this equation with 10. Okay, so you will get 10x equals to, now 0.136 so on. So here when you're multiplying this number with 10, what you will get after the after one digit, you will get point. Okay, so that means 1.363636 like that, something you will get. Okay, this let us name it as equation 2. Okay, now the third step, what you will do is, now after the point, how many digits are there? Usually what we will see in the in all the problems, according to that you have to multiply. Okay, after the decimal point you have got 3 digits. Okay, so now actually you see here in all the problems, what you will do after the point, how many digits are there like that, and how many digits bars you will place, according to that you will multiply. Okay, with either with 10 or 100 or 1000. But over here you see after the decimal point there are 3 digits, but only on 2 digits you have got the bar. Okay, so for that you have to do one more step over here. Okay, first of all you're multiplying with 10, and then you're multiplying with 1000. Fine, so now 1000, when I'm multiplying with 1000, I'll get 1000x equals to, now here point is there. Okay, so after 3 digits I should write point, so 136. Okay, 136.3636, and it will just so on. Okay, now this is equation third. Now you have to subtract second equation from third one. So what you will get in this way, now third equation is 1000x equals to 136.3636 so on, and then next second equation is 10x equals to 1.36. so 1 will be coming over here, 1.3636 like that. Okay, so now in this way here 1000 minus 10 will give you 990. X equals to, here you see here 3 minus 3 0, 6 minus 6, all you will get 0 only after the point 0 0, then 6 minus 1 will be 5, then 1 3 as it is, that is 135. Okay, so X will be equals to 135 divided by 90. Okay, so now from which table you can cancel? With 5 table you can cancel. 5 2s are 10 and 3 is remaining 35, 5 7s are 35, then 5 1s are 5, then 4 49, 5 9s are 45, then again after 45 40 will be remaining, 5 8s are 40. Okay, now I think with 3 table we can do 3 9s is 27, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18. Okay, then again 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Now further you can't do, so 3 by 22. So therefore X will be equals to 3 by 22. I hope you understand this.